What is something that you feel you're missing in your life right now that if you had it, it would make your life richer?
Man, that's a good question.
Yeah.
So something that if I had in my life right now, made me richer, like in what sense?
So it'll make your life just better all the way around, man. Bring value to your life if you had this.
I mean, I guess if I had to say something, I guess I'm at the point in my life where I'm still trying to figure out like my purpose. So I think just like really identifying what my purpose is really gonna like determine my path, like from this point moving forward. But being in college and being my last year, and I'm just praying about it, bro. But I feel like really just identifying my purpose. That would probably be.
Man, I love that you said that. Can I share something with you?
Go ahead.
So this kind of helped me in terms of getting into the realm of purpose, because purpose by definition is the reason why we exist, right? So we know we have a purpose.
Right.
So here's 10 questions. Matter of fact, hold on, let me get my phone real quick. I'm gonna read off these 10 questions to you. These questions, man, right here helped me a lot in terms of just getting into that space of, okay, maybe this is it, maybe that is it. And it's not something that is based on a job, right, or an occupation. It's something that's constantly growing, and you're called to different areas that would serve it, right? So here's questions I have you think about, and I can send these to you too, just so you can keep them in your mind. So what thoughts constantly re-enter your mind? What do you constantly imagine yourself doing? What would you do for no money? What is something weird or unique about you? Okay. What are you truly passionate about? What are your deepest desires? What brings you the greatest fulfillment? What do you want to do for humanity? Okay, because our purpose isn't just limited to fulfillment for ourselves, it's going to be beneficial for others around us, right? What makes you angry? Now this one's interesting because all the times we kind of pull away from it. It's like, if it makes me angry, that probably isn't something I should touch. But maybe it touches a spot where it's maybe a righteous anger. You know what I mean? Like, man, I just don't like for me, something that makes me angry is the mistreatment of others that are defenseless, right? So it's not that I'm going to act out in a sinful manner to justify that anger, but I'm like, okay, that just kind of tells me or informs me that I care for people that are in positions that are without, less fortunate, and maybe I want to serve that community by helping them. This is the biggest one. What would you do if it were impossible for you to fail? If it were impossible for you to fail. So those are 10 good questions, and it's not to necessarily say that if you answer all of them, that's your purpose. But for me, I know when I answer them, it all connected to something like that, which is what I'm basically currently doing, right? I really believe that my purpose, man, is to encourage others to pour into people. And my calling to that is through teaching. You know what I'm saying? And so your calling can change throughout your life, throughout your journey. Where you're called to here, you may be called to someplace else to serve that same purpose and growing and developing who you are and closer to Christ, closer in God.
Amen.
But man, I think that, and obviously, man, just stay near God. You know what I'm saying? He is the creator. There's nothing in life that can point to its own purpose. It's always a creator behind it, man, that's got something in store, and you got to come to him to figure that out. But he's got you. So yes, sir, bro. Man, I appreciate you, man.
Thank you for lifting me, bro.
Absolutely, bro. I appreciate it, man. It's my pleasure, bro. All the time, man.